Welcome, fellow space enthusiasts and curious minds from around the globe, to yet another deep and thrilling journey into the mysteries of our vast and ever-expanding universe. In today's exploration, we focus on a recent and astonishing discovery that has captivated the attention of scientists, astronomers, and stargazers alike. It's a revelation so compelling that even Bill Nye, the beloved science guy himself, brought it to the public eye. So, what is this breakthrough that has reignited wonder and speculation in the scientific community? In a surprising turn of events, Voyager 1, our resilient spacecraft now billions of miles from Earth, has detected 300 massive, previously uncharted objects floating through the depths of space. This news has triggered a wave of questions. What are these objects? Where did they come from? Do they hold clues about the formation of our universe, or are they something so alien, so outside our expectations, that they could reshape our understanding of cosmic reality? Let's take a step back and look at how we got here. A brief history of the Voyager missions. In the summer of 1977, NASA launched two spacecraft that would become legends, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Initially, these robotic emissaries were meant to carry out a 5-year mission, a relatively short stint by today's standards, tasked with exploring Jupiter and Saturn. No one at the time could have predicted that they would still be functioning, transmitting data, and making headlines nearly 5 decades later. The success of the Voyager program is rooted in a visionary concept proposed by scientist Michael Minovich, who theorized that a spacecraft could harness a planet's gravity to slingshot itself further into space. This concept, known as gravity assist, enabled the spacecraft to gain speed without using additional fuel. This revolutionary idea laid the foundation for what became the Voyager Grand Tour, a unique mission plan that would take advantage of a rare planetary alignment occurring once every 176 years. This alignment allowed a single spacecraft to visit multiple outer planets with the aid of gravitational boosts. As the Voyagers approached their first targets, they exceeded all expectations. They delivered unprecedented close-up images and data of Jupiter and Saturn, revealing their complex atmospheres, powerful magnetic fields, mysterious moons, and intricate ring systems. Voyager 2 went even further, conducting historic flybys of Uranus in 1986 and Neptune in 1989, offering humanity its first and only close-up views of these distant ice giants. These encounters transformed our understanding of the outer solar system, uncovering dynamic weather patterns, unique planetary compositions, and icy moons that might harbor the conditions for life. The Voyager's achievements were so monumental that they fundamentally reshaped how we study the solar system. Their scientific contributions became a foundation for future missions, and their legacy continues to influence the design and goals of modern spacecraft. Entering interstellar space. But the story didn't end with the outer planets. The true next chapter began when the spacecraft ventured into interstellar space, the region beyond the protective cocoon created by our sun's magnetic field. In 2013, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to enter this uncharted territory. Then in 2018, Voyager 2 followed, crossing the heliopause, the invisible boundary where the sun's influence gives way to the vast interstellar medium. Crossing into interstellar space was a monumental milestone. Within the solar system, we live inside a giant magnetic bubble known as the heliosphere, created by the outflow of solar wind, charged particles streaming from the sun. This bubble acts as a shield, protecting us from the high-energy cosmic rays that fill interstellar space. Voyager's instruments revealed that once outside the heliosphere, the intensity of cosmic radiation can triple, offering scientists critical data about the nature of space beyond our sun's reach. These discoveries are more than just scientific milestones. They are humanity's first tangible steps into the cosmic ocean that surrounds our star system. The information the Voyagers are collecting is vital for understanding how our solar system fits into the galaxy and how stellar winds shape and interact with the interstellar environment. A mysterious new discovery, 300 massive objects, now fast, forward to the present, and the Voyagers are once again making headlines. Recently, Voyager 1 transmitted data indicating the presence of 300 large, unidentified objects drifting in deep space. This revelation has ignited a whirlwind of excitement and speculation across the scientific world. What exactly are these entities? Are they rogue asteroids, dislodged from some ancient planetary system? Could they be remnants of primordial stellar material, fragments from stars that lived and died long before our own sun was born? Or are they something far more exotic, unknown types of cosmic bodies, or perhaps the debris of failed planets or ancient megastructures? One particularly thrilling yet speculative possibility is that these objects are interstellar wanderers, fragments or bodies that formed in other star systems and have been traveling the galaxy for eons. Objects like Oumuamua and Borisov, the first known interstellar visitors to pass through our solar system, have already proven that such cosmic nomads exist. Could Voyager 1 have stumbled upon a whole swarm of such bodies drifting silently between the stars? At this stage, the scientific community is working diligently to interpret the data. Are these objects solid? Are they emitting radiation? Are they moving with or against the flow of interstellar plasma? Every clue could provide insight into their origin and nature. A glitch in the void. Around the same time as this discovery, Voyager 1 experienced a peculiar malfunction. In May 2023, the spacecraft's Attitude Articulation and Control System, AACS, the component responsible for keeping its high-gain antenna pointed at Earth, began sending back garbled, incomprehensible data. For a moment, it appeared that Voyager 1 was suffering from a kind of electronic aphasia, as if it had forgotten how to speak to us. NASA engineers eventually traced the issue to an outdated backup computer that had been accidentally activated. With a few carefully sent commands across more than 14 billion miles of space, the team was able to restore the spacecraft to full functionality. Though the crisis was averted, the event served as a stark reminder of the challenges faced by aging machines operating in the unforgiving environment of deep space. What it all means. Despite their age, the Voyager spacecraft are still teaching us. Their data continues to refine our models of how the solar wind interacts with the interstellar medium, how magnetic fields evolve, and how cosmic rays behave beyond the reach of our sun. Additional missions, such as NASA's Interstellar Boundary Explorer, IBEX, and the upcoming Interstellar Probe concept, are expanding upon Voyager's discoveries, piecing together a fuller image of the space beyond our solar bubble. The 300 mysterious objects Voyager 1 has detected may eventually lead to new breakthroughs in astrophysics, cosmology, and planetary science. They could help explain how matter is distributed in the galaxy, how stars and planetary systems form, and how ancient cosmic processes still influence us today. A living legacy, the Voyager missions are more than just aging machines drifting into the dark. They are living legacies of human ingenuity, curiosity, and the unquenchable desire to explore. From revealing the churning storms of Jupiter and the icy rings of Saturn, to capturing the haunting pale blue dot image of Earth suspended in a sunbeam, these probes have consistently expanded the boundaries of our cosmic knowledge. And now, even as they move through the cold, silent depths of interstellar space, they continue to unveil new secrets, challenging us to ask deeper questions about the nature of the universe and our place within it. What's next? The detection of these 300 mysterious space objects is a compelling new chapter in an epic journey that began nearly 50 years ago. As the data is analyzed and as new missions build upon what the Voyagers have discovered, we may find that this is just the beginning of a whole new field of study. So what do you think? Are these objects leftover pieces from the formation of our solar system, interstellar refugees, or something no one has yet imagined? We invite you to share your thoughts, theories, and questions in the comments below. Join us as we continue to follow this incredible story. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of space, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest cosmic discoveries. Thank you for joining us on this journey through space and time. And always remember, the universe is vast, mysterious, and forever ready to surprise us.